Hello everyone, I am Aradhna Soni from Sage University, Bhopal. Today I going to teach fundamental electrical concept 2. So now here some electrical topics, that is some fundamental topic, resistance. In previous lecture we cover all the fundamental topics, and after that this. So I start from the resistance. So what is resistance? Resistance, this proper property of a device that indicates how freely it will allow current to flow given a specific voltage applied. If low in value, current flow more freely. And measure in ohm. So ohm is specific, yeah, standard in the form expression in the form of V by I, yeah, V by A, that is ampere. And is also express R equal to voltage upon current, R denoted by resistance. And if you express these equations in the terms of voltage, so V equal to I into R. This is the resistance, and these equations arrive from the Ohm's law. Ohm's law, I equals to V by R, so V equal to I into R. We express. So this is a resistance. And after that, what is resistor? So resistors are devices that are used in a variant of a circuit to make the current and voltage what you desire. For example, registers are many register you we used in basic electrical and electronics. So they are color coded and come in various tolerance, plus minus 1%, plus minus 5%, and plus minus 10% are most common. And after that, what is conductance? So conductance is denoted by G, and conductance is a reciprocal of resistance. So if the resistance is the oppose the flow of current, so conductance is just opposite and just reciprocal of resistance. Yeah, so its unit is Simon, and it expressed as ampere per volt. And if you talk about the expression of in the terms of values, the opposition of resistance, so it's here G equal to I upon V, or we can express as 1 upon R also. So an equivalent measure to how freely a current is allowed to flow in a device, that is called conductance. And after that, we talk about the resistivity. So resistivity is expressed as rho. So resistivity is the property of material that indicates how much it will oppose current flow, that is called resistivity. And the resistivity in terms of values expressed as rho is equals to rho R equal to rho, that is length upon cross section area, that is called the value of resistivity. Yeah, so resistivity, its unit is in ohms meter. Ohm meter is unit of resistivity. As the wire gets bigger, so does the cross section, making the resistance is smaller. If wire is small, the cross section resistance uh, is small. As the length gets longer, the resistance gets up proportionally. It's called resistivity. So such resistivity, it's depend on the it will oppose current flow, that is called resistivity. And conductor, so conductor is material with electron that are loosely bound to the nucleus and move easily, and usually one electrons is the outer cell. And the second point is that their low resistance goes up, the materials is heated due to the vibration of the atoms in interfering with the movement of the electrons. And the conductor, the based conductor are superconductor as the temperature near 0 Kelvin, and this whole phonema is called conductor. Yeah, and after that, semiconductor. What is semiconductor? So semiconductor is material with electrons that are bound more tightly than conductor. That is called known as semiconductor. And semiconductor impurities are added in controlled amount to the adjust resistivity down. If you talk about the semiconductors. In other words, so semiconductors become better conductor at higher temperature because the added energy free up more electrons, even though the electrons flow in impeded by the increased atomic vibrations. So that is called semiconductor. So semiconductor is material with electrons that are bound more tightly than conductor. It's known as semiconductor. And if you talk about the insulator, so insulator is material that have 8 electrons in the outer shell tightly bonded to the nucleus, and it takes high temperature or very high electric field to break the atomic bond to free up electrons to conduct a current. Very high resistivity and resistance of insulators, so that is called insulator. So I hope you like this video, and you understand the topics. Thank you so much.